Today, I will show you how to enable or disable bulk edit and quick edit options and the hidden column in the Hide Post plugin. Go to your WooCommerce dashboard and then click on the WooCommerce Hide Post plugin. It will direct you to a new page where you can view different post types that you want to hide. Initially, all post types are unchecked along with their bulk and quick edit options. You can see that bulk and quick edit aren't available for media, but they are available for posts, pages, and products. Let us check all the post visibility options to view the impact. After making the changes, click on Save Changes. Now let us go to Media, Pages, Posts, and Products to view the Hide Post visibility options for each of them. For Media, click on Edit. Now scroll down to the bottom right corner of the Media page, where you'll see the Hide Post visibility options. For Pages, click on Quick Edit to view the post visibility options. You can also do it the same way we did for Media, by clicking on Edit. You can do the same for posts and products by clicking on Edit or Quick Edit, and you will be able to view the post visibility options. Now let us move to the hidden column that shows which pages the post is hidden from. The hidden column is visible for posts, pages, and products for each single item in the list. Let us now uncheck all the post types along with their bulk and quick edit options. Also, I am checking the Disable Hidden Column option. Now, save the changes. Go to Media and refresh the page. You can see that the Hide Post visibility options that appeared at the bottom right are now hidden. Similarly, on refreshing the pages for posts, pages, and products, you can see that the hidden column is hidden and the Quick Edit option no longer has post visibility options. Thanks for watching.